How to delete credit card from DoorDash. For this, you'll be needing the application of DoorDash, so make sure you have it. If not, open your Play Store or an App Store and search for DoorDash. Tap on the app and make sure to install it. If you already have it, simply tap Open. Now, to log in or sign up, you will see all of these options. Tap on any one that you prefer. Once you are logged in, at the top in your left-hand side, you will see your profile icon. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it. From this list, select the option of payment methods right here that is highlighted for you. At the top, under Save Payment Method, you will see all of your payment methods right here. If you want to remove from this list, simply swipe the payment method to the left. Then you will see this delete icon. You can just tap on this delete icon or do a complete swipe to remove from this list. Now once you do this, you will be able to remove one of the saved payment method from your DoorDash. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.